Warren Buffett has spent over 6 decades becoming one of the most respected voices in investing. What Buffett doesn't invest in can teach you just as much as what he does. Here are 6 types of investments Buffett avoids and why. Buffett famously avoided companies like Amazon and Facebook due to their high price-to-earnings ratios and unpredictable growth patterns. Although he later embraced Apple, which now forms a large part of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, he sold $80 billion of Apple stock in 2024. That move suggests he still has reservations about tech's volatility. Buffett has never shown interest in Tesla. The stock has always carried high levels of speculation, and the electric vehicle industry changes rapidly. Buffett also places a high value on leadership stability. Elon Musk's unpredictable behavior likely doesn't align with Buffett's standards for CEOs. Buffett has long avoided cryptocurrency, saying he won't invest in things he doesn't understand. This category's rapid changes and lack of intrinsic value don't mesh with his investment philosophy. Though Berkshire Hathaway once invested in New Holdings, which offers a crypto platform, the amount was small. It was likely more about the company's broader offerings than crypto itself. Buffett calls derivatives financial weapons of mass destruction. These are contracts that derive their value from the performance of other assets, and they were a major factor in the 2008 financial crisis. While Buffett hasn't avoided all derivatives, he steers clear of those he considers overly risky or difficult to understand. Buffett generally views gold as an unproductive asset because it doesn't generate income. Although Berkshire Hathaway did briefly invest in Barrick Gold in 2020, it sold the shares not long after. The brief investment may have been more about the company's structure than a change in his views on gold. In 2016, Buffett invested in major airlines like Delta and American. The pandemic in 2020 forced Berkshire Hathaway to sell those holdings at a loss. Since then, Buffett has stayed away from airline stocks. Ongoing concerns about the industry, including safety and profitability, likely reinforce his decision. Buffett's track record reflects a disciplined approach to avoiding the unknown and the overly risky. If you're looking to invest wisely, understanding what Buffett skips could be a smart first step.